launch on the Starship Super Heavy. The entire cost of these 3 contracts are estimated at $968 million, and they'll form the backbone for the upcoming Artemis missions. Each lander has different capabilities when it comes to payload carrying capacity, getting on and off the lunar surface, mission duration, and survivability. After Phase 1 is completed, the second phase of the Artemis program after 2024 will focus on sustainable regular exploration of the Moon. In this phase, the Lunar Gateway will be used to conduct research and allow astronauts to take trips down to the surface. Science experiments in the field of human physiology, space biology, astrophysics, heliophysics, and planetary science will begin during this phase. Once on the lunar surface, NASA and its partners will develop the Artemis base camp to support longer expeditions on the surface. NASA is building a lunar rover called Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, VIPER, that will land at the south pole of the Moon in late 2023 and will begin a 100-day mission looking for water ice and help us figure out how to harvest the Moon's resources to further human space exploration. The Artemis program will incrementally build up the capabilities on the Moon from that moment on. This will be the first step in preparing for the human exploration of Mars. If all goes according to plan with the Artemis program, perhaps we'll see a fully functioning lunar base within the next decade. We don't know about you, but we think that's really exciting and will be amazing to see it all unfold. For the last 20 years, humans have continuously lived and worked aboard the International Space Station above Earth, preparing for the day we move further into the solar system. Now is the time.